In this video, you will learn how to make homemade brown sugar pearls. The amount of brown sugar you use here really determines how dark your pearls are. If you want darker pearls, use more brown sugar. If you want lighter pearls, use less brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar that you can find in the Asian supermarket. I find those better than the ones you buy elsewhere. When it boils, I think I should have waited a bit more longer. Add a few tablespoons of tapioca starch. You can go up to a quarter cup. When it is thick, add in more tapioca starch or flour. You will need in total about 1¼ cup or 1½ cup. You can go up to 1 cup of tapioca starch or flour here. Just make sure you mix everything well. Try to use less tapioca starch or flour as possible, otherwise the pearls can taste grainy and starchy and have a weird texture. But if you added a lot, just mix the dough properly and well. You want to mix the dough when it is hot, otherwise it will not turn into dough. It will most likely turn like this. It will be hard to mix and knead. Like the previous bubble tea video, we are going to roll the dough into logs or strips and then cut them into small pieces and roll them in our hands until we get a small ball. And then we're going to repeat this process. You don't want to cover the pearls with too much tapioca starch or flour, just make sure they don't stick together and it's good. We want to reduce the amount of tapioca starch and flour we use. I made boba panna cotta with these pearls, it was delicious. Make sure you have a good amount of water, and when it boils, cook your tapioca pearls for 20 to 25 minutes. A tip to get the perfectly cooked pearls is to let the pearls rise to the top and then put the lid on. Rinse the pearls with cold water and then put them in cold ice water. The more cold it is, the more it will become chewy and soft. This step is optional. You can just add brown sugar to your pearls but strain the ice water first. Otherwise, you can cook it and make a syrup. This is what Shinfutan does. They cook their brown sugar and then add pearls with brown sugar and make a syrup in a wok. It tastes super good.